Hi everyone. Today is January 26th of 2023 and we're here to give you a construction progress update for Avenue Bellevue. There's a lot of activity going on with the project daily, about 600 craft workers and some of the significant milestones. Today we're celebrating our topping off celebration for both towers. The next big milestone will be completing the exterior cladding on the West Tower the first week in February. South Tower will complete late February and then on into the tower crane removal for both towers, which are scheduled in early March for the west and April in the south. Overall, we are completely on schedule despite many challenges with supply chain issues and such, but interior finishes progressing up the tower, and we will deliver the West Tower TCO in Q3 of 2023. And the South Tower TCO in Q4 of 2023. And we're all really excited to bring this project to a successful completion.